Welcome to another Legacy Maker tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how quick and easy it is to start and set up a new legacy project in just a few clicks. Let's get started. From your dashboard, click the white plus icon on either the left project panel or the upper toolbar, and select New Project. Once a new canvas has opened, you can add a title and subtitle to your project on the left project panel. To add a project cover image, click the camera icon on the lower right corner of the image window. From here, you can either search Unsplash for a free stock photo, browse your gallery, upload a photo from your device, or generate a custom image using ImaGen. For this example, we'll use ImaGen. Enter some text into the AI prompt box describing the image you would like created, then click Send. Once your results load on the screen, either edit your prompt to generate a new version, or click on the image and press Select to add it to your project. The image and its corresponding color palette will automatically populate across your project. At this point, you've successfully set up a new legacy project, and are ready to start adding folders and content. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.